What if you could fold your smartphone like a paper, control gadgets with your thoughts, or take a vacation in space? Welcome to the future of technology, where the line between science fiction and reality is becoming increasingly blurred. In a world where flexibility is the new king, we're seeing the rise of foldable technology. Imagine phones that bend like origami, TVs that roll up like newspapers, and laptops that morph into tablets. This is not a dream. It's the reality of our tech-infused future. And if that's not enough to make your jaw drop, consider brain-computer interfaces. Picture this, controlling your gadgets with just your thoughts. Telekinesis is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. It's the future of interaction. But the tech magic doesn't stop there. Personalized health trackers are on the rise, powered by artificial intelligence. Forget about generic step counters. These next-gen trackers will analyze your every breath, predicting potential illnesses before they even arrive. Talk about living life on the cutting edge. Virtual reality is stepping out of the gaming world and into our daily lives with the rise of the metaverse. Prepare to work, shop, and party in immersive digital landscapes that will redefine the way we interact with technology. In the meantime, quantum computing is gearing up to revolutionize everything from your household appliances to breakthroughs in medicine and material science. Yes, even your grandma's toaster will be running on supercharged quantum algorithms. And as we hurtle into this tech-saturated future, sustainable technology is taking center stage. Picture solar panels that fit in your pocket, self-driving electric cars powered by algae, and robots that clean up plastic pollution. Green tech is going mainstream in 2024. The future of medicine is also looking brighter with the advent of 3D printed organs for transplants. Organ waiting lists could soon be a thing of the past, thanks to the remarkable potential of bioprinting. Space tourism is no longer just a billionaire's game. Companies like Virgin Galactic, SpaceX and Blue Origin are making space travel more accessible than ever. So dust off your spacesuit, everyday astronauts. And finally, the future of prosthetics is about to get seriously awesome. Imagine bionic limbs that not only move but also sense touch and respond to your thoughts. In summary, the future of technology is unfolding before our eyes. We're entering an era of foldable gadgets, brain-computer interfaces, and personalized health trackers. The metaverse is becoming our new reality. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize our lives, and sustainable tech is going mainstream. Meanwhile, innovations like 3D printed organs, space tourism, and bionic limbs are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Welcome to the future where technology is not just shaping our lives, it's redefining them.